विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार। न्हंयाचें राष्ट्रीयकरण म्हळ्यार गोंयच्यो न्हंयो केंद्राक वचच्यो ना। लोकांनी बेठेच अफवाक भुलचे न्हय। 6 म्हयन्याच्या राष्ट्रीयकरणाक आपलो तेंको आसा म्हण ह्या वेळार अतुल जाधव उलयला। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Became the owner of the airplanes. So that kind of that is called nationalization. Here the water is belonging to government of Goa. So instead of government of Goa, the ownership goes to government of India, which is the Indian government. But control will still remain like national waterway, like today national highway goes. But the police is Goan police only who controls the highway. No, पहला highway कोणी block केलेला कोण होता? Police होता. Accident झाला कोण होता? गोंयचे police. तसेच captain of port of control will be there on national waterway. So these people who are trying to politicize and people at the panchayat, they are not understanding the difference between national waterways and nationalization. These are two different things which are there.
You are welcoming this decision.
Yeah, it has to be done. Declaration of national waterway has to be done. But our contention only one thing: control should be with the government of Goa, means people of Goa. Declare national waterway. आता घरा आमचे ancestral कितें म्हणटा ते व्हडले properties आसा पळय, they are covered under तो act कितें आसा पळय, old houses कितें आसा. Now those houses are coming under certain act. Who is staying in those houses? Goans only are staying in those houses. Now who does the maintenance? You know, archaeological department म्हणटा पळय, they spend the money. Archaeological department spends the money. But houses are maintained by them. But people only are staying in their houses. Many of the houses which are there, which have been taken care of by the Archaeological Survey of India, they look after the houses. So this some sort of arrangement where central government, government of Goa and the stakeholder control remains in Goa. That is the correct way to handle the declaration of national waterway and not nationalization. That is the correct way to do.
Nationalization of rivers वो issue केला जे politician आहे तेणी politician आपण issue घेवपा जाय देखून वो issue केला. Nationalization of a river doesn't mean that the hold will be taken by the central government. Development will be taken by the central government, like dredging, jetties, everything. But the position of the river will still be with the Captain of Ports, Goa government ownership. It will be still with the Captain of Ports and Goa government.
You are welcoming the decision?
Yes, definitely, because आमची सगळी river हे जातली, jetties develop जातल्यो, dredging जातले. सध्या आतां आमगे बार्जी लोड घेवन येताय जाल्यार लागताय 2-3-4 कडेन लागताय ते डीप जातले. जेटीस आनी डेवलप जातल्यो. जेटीस डेवलप जाल्यार आयनोर ट्रान्सपोर्ट करपाक आमकांय भोगले पडटलें.